That looks like an interesting one, doesn't it, Paddy? What do you think? Would you like to do a detox? Would you like to do a detox? Would you? Would you like to do a detox, Paddy? We can make a detox smoothie made from avocado, pineapple chunks, kiwi fruit, slice of unwaxed lemon, spinach leaves, water, and a little cheeky bit of ice. Now wouldn't that be nice? Well, maybe. You're not right in the fucking head, Joe. Anyway, where were we? Oh, hi. Hello. I've just let the gas out my chair. It's a barber's chair. If I stand up, I'm going to go boing like Zebedee. Wait. It's going to go. It's going to go. It's going to smash the washer. Boing. Alright then, calm down, dickhead. Okay, now. Anyway, I thought I was going to stop doing these videos. Bit of fennel. Could put some of that shit in there. Just got a Ninja smoothie maker. Gone a bit daft in the head, haven't we? Well, the teeth are getting a bit fragile at my age, you know. Got to smoothie up everything. Gonna mash it down into liquidated form. Get some protein into me bones. Seeing as I'm old as mould. Oh, that looks nice. Strawberry banana milkshake. Get in my belly! Bye.